Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let me show you a simple way to clean your chain, your motorcycle chain. So all you do is you put it up on a stand so you can freely spin the wheel, and then all you need to do is get your gear oil. So I got this as 80 W90 was laying around, so gear oil and the blue Scott towel, and that's it. So in case if you have a really bad dirty one, then you can use the brush with it, but for my chains is look like it's pretty clean. I mean it's not that bad. So all you need to do is pour a little gear oil into a Scott towel and hold it in right here and start spinning the wheel and just clean it that way. Just take your time, and then you should get everything clean, nice and easy. So trust me, don't buy those expensive cleaning solution that you saw online. They sell super expensive and you don't really need that much, and sometimes those things are bad. See how clean how dirty it is, and sometimes it doesn't do a good job because some of the solution you put in after you ride it is really sticky. So if it get on your tire or get on the wheel itself, the rim, then it's really hard to take it out. So but really all you need is just simple gear oil cleaning towel, and keep doing at it, and your chain should be nice and clean. And keep doing it, have patience, and it should be very nice and clean. That's all you need. Also, gear oil, if you ride it on the highway, if it splash all around the wheel or the tire, you can easily remove it rather than all those expensive chain cleaning solution that you bought online. It's just a waste of money. So trust me, use just the gear oil itself, and you should get your change perfectly nice, clean. If you have a real deep one, then go ahead and use the brush, but most of the time all you need is gear oil. You'll take out a lot of stuff, and it's easy to clean up too. So that's all your chain need, basically gear oil. That's it. They don't need all the other solution that you bought online, and those things is just way overpriced, and it really mess you up after you ride for a while. And then just trust me, I know because I use it before, and it's a big waste of money. So that's just a quick tip for you to clean your chain. So that's it. I hope you find it helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.